Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change WooCommerce payment status for prepaid order in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in dashboard and we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. So scroll down on left side you see plugin. So click on add new. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then scroll down you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down you can add title here, then you see code preview, on right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So currently prepaid order status is processing like PayPal or Stripe. Now in code you see order data status is equal to WC processing. So prepaid order status currently processing. Now you see if payment method not equal to COD, then change status to completed. So basically cash on delivery, Stripe or PayPal has processing order status. So that's why we are adding if condition, if payment method not equal to COD. Basically COD is not prepaid order. That's why we add in condition. So remaining processing order change to completed for prepaid order when customer order in our website, and you will find code in video description or in comment section. Scroll down you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.